The province of Pangasinan confirms the case of heat stroke to chickens due to extreme heat. According to the Pangasinan Veterinary Office, several chickens collapsed and died. Catherine Landicho returns for the details.
Pangasinan, the area recorded heat stroke in chickens. According to the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical and Astronomical Services Administration or PAGASA, the highest heat index recorded in Pangasinan was 51 degrees Celsius on April 29. Several chickens suddenly collapsed and died due to the extreme heat, according to Dr. Araceli Robeñol, officer in charge of the Pangasinan Veterinary Office. Rovignol said they are exposed to extreme heat, and secondly, they are not given regular water to drink, so this is the possible visible reason. While UpVet continues to monitor poultry farm owners are advised to implement preventive measures to avoid the increase in chicken mortality during hot weather. UpVet also ensured that there is an adequate supply of chicken in the market. However, the price of a kilo of chicken in a barangay in the province has increased to 200 pesos. This is Catherine Landicho for EuroTV News.